Okay, so here in the video, I'll be showing you how you can quickly make simple designs. You can create simple flyers for yourself. It doesn't take time. You just need to know the basic things, and I'll just show you the basic things. Then you can check other tools in here for yourself. So here I'll be making use of the app called Pixel Lab. Pixel Lab. So you can get it from Play Store. Download Pixel Lab. Pixellab. Pixel Lab. Okay. So now when you open it, this is the interface of the app. Now you can decide to write a text here. Type whatever you want to type. Okay. But now I don't want to make use of this background. So I want to change the background. I'll use the delete tool to remove this. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now I want to change this background. So I'll come to this place. Um let's see. Okay. So I'm going to come down to see all these places. Okay. That is where I'm going to be looking at. So I'm going to use this particular one to change the background color. Can you see what I'm showing you? This one that has double square. So I'll use it to change the background color. So I want to use a single kind of color. Let's say I want to use um white. Yes, and select it. Okay. Now the next thing is for me to design what I want to design. So by now it's expected that you have an idea of what you want to create. So either you go to Google and find a design that you want to use it and have an idea and replicate, or you have something in your head, or you have something you've already drawn somewhere you want to make use of. So I'll just make a little sketch of something, a design here. Okay, so I'll be making use of this writing tool here. This is a sorry, not a writing tool. How do you call it? Inside, well, it's a writing tool actually. Yes, it's a writing tool. So because from there now you get this text. Hmm? Then if you also don't want to use it through this way to get your text, you come to this place. Let's see, you can get your text here as well. So but to be faster, you just use this A, use this and get your text. Okay, so I'll click on the text, click on this edit, so that I'll edit the text and use the text I want. So I'm going to use okay, graphics design course. So this is what I want to title it, graphic design course. Then I'll scroll to this way and locate paddling, click on it and increase it. So maybe just I want to use 9, you can increase to any number. That's the left paddling. Then this is so that even if this thing is going to be longer and you want to adjust it, it will not give you issues. So I'll just adjust this, and I want it to be bolder. So here I'm going to look for the bold tool. I'm going to use for the bold look for the bold tool. So I'll click on this style. Okay, then see bold, select bold. That is if you want bold. If you want italics, underline, whichever one. But me, I want bold, so you can see it's now bold. Now the writing is too small for me. I want to increase it. Then I'll look for font. This is font. Click on this font. Okay, select any font you want. So let's say I want to use something like this. Okay, click OK. So you see it has entered the next line, but you can adjust it Hey, this is the essence. So it's the essence of the paddling. So we have graphic design course. But then I don't really like the font, so let me change the font to a different one. Different font. Let's see. Okay, this can be managed. Yes, this can be managed. If I have something like this, um, what else do I need? I want to put a different kind of background. So I'm going to make use of a square shape. You get it from this place. Square shape. So click on the shapes. I need the one that can contain this writing. Okay, I'll lift it here. I'll change the color. Sorry, if you want to change the shape later, you can change it here. Okay, but I want to change the color now. Then I want to use white, blue, white, blue. What can go on white? Okay, let me say if I use black. Okay, yes, or let me use black. Okay, then that means I'll change these graphics. It sees I'll change these graphics to white. So I'll come to this place, same text box, change the color. I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. The color, I'll change it to white so that it can reflect on that black. Okay, now you can see that when I dragged it up, it's at the back of this box, so I need to bring it to the front. So while it's still marking it, I'll come to this place and then use this to front and click on it. You can see, so it has come on top of this. Yes, I think I like it this way. Now what else do I want to do? I want to import a picture. I want to put a picture here. Now I'm going to click on these two and see imports here. So you click on import. Already, if you want to make um remember I say you have your things ready, have your pictures ready, whatever you want to use. So let's say I want to use this picture here. Okay, and I'll adjust the shape how I want it to be. I want it to be. You must have gotten everything you need, so you just to be easier for you to make your design. Okay, so here, yes, is what I want. Let me drag this a bit to the end. Okay, yes. So I will now add. Let me adjust this box. So adjust it. You just come here, click on this position, and then make it up a bit. Meaning I'll adjust the right up as well. You come to right up to click on position, drag it upwards as well. Okay, now at this side I want to fill in something, so I can use my text to write anything there, or if you have something else that you want to put like a picture, you can put it depending on what your design is, or you have a write up you made somewhere else, you can as well do that. So now I'm going to type um the long awaited graphic design class is here. Kindly use the link. Okay, yes. Kindly use the link in in okay, let me just use this. Let me leave it like this. I don't want too much things. I can just write date if I want to put date. Let's just say I want to use today is 14th. So let's say I want to use 17th to, okay, no, 23rd to 27th, right? Okay, then venue closed, WhatsApp group, closed WhatsApp group. Okay, click on the OK. You see my write-up is much, but then I'm gonna reduce it. So now, okay, keep reducing. Long awaited graphic design class is here. La 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 la. So this is that, and I want to change the color. So I'll come here. Remember, I need to use normal color. I don't want it to be too shouty, so I'll just use normal black. Okay, and then that's that. If you have something else to write, remember you can write it. Then I want to put my phone number below so somebody can easily contact me. 08143552573. So anyone that sees that knows it's my number. I'll put it below here. Okay, put it here, and that's that. I can decide to reduce the size of this. Reduce the size. Oh, okay, it's too tiny. It's too tiny. Leave it this way. Let me position it. And let me make it bold. Or should I change the color? Okay, let's see. What will this color look like? No. Let's see gradient color. No. Straight color. Let's just use black. Okay. And so that's that about it. Once you're done with this, you just come right here and save your work. Save your work, and to be downloaded to your phone. So that's it about. So I can save. If you want to still continue with this work, editing it later on, then use the first option, save as project. But if you're through and you want to make use of it, use save as image. Okay, so put it at PNG and then save to gallery. So that's how you can make simple designs. Create something and let me see what you've done. Bye.